With saving the planet becoming a priority, electric vehicles of more or less quality are beginning to turn up. While there are already a few scooters being sold, the all-terrain electric motorcycle does exist, but more often than not is in the form of a prototype. Swiss firm QUANTYA has taken the lead in offering a finished model that's now in production. The all-terrain street-legal QUANTYA STRADA leisure motorcycle is already on the market, but can you really enjoy an electric bike? Is it reliable and does it have enough punch to rival traditional combustion engines? We went to see what this unique machine has to offer. Aesthetically, the QUANTYA STRADA doesn't look much different from any other small all-terrain machine. It's about the same size as an 85cc motocross bike. Finesse and lightweight are the first words that come to mind. It tips the scales at a mere 85 kilos. While the first electric prototypes were fitted with mountain bike brake systems and the like, the Strada has a nice list of standard gear: a 40mm Marzocchi forkhead, a Sachs monoshock, and proper motorcycle disc brakes, which says a lot about the performance. While we're on the subject, the heart of this new style of machine, the motor. Forget everything you know. There's no reason to waste time trying to make comparisons with a combustion engine. The electric motor works in a totally different manner. 48 volts, 3.2 megakilograms of torque, which is about on a par with a 125cc. The electric motor with a belt drive, the secondary transmission, is effectuated by a traditional chain. A large portion of the weight of this machine is the battery. The latest generation polymer ion lithium provides 1 hour of aggressive riding time. The QUANTYA STRADA is set up for in-town use, but it does have some discrete road equipment with a headlight, turning signals, rev counter and power indicator run by a small independent battery found under the seat, which doesn't affect the Strada's range. Somewhere between a big mountain bike and a motorcycle, the first time you get on, it can be a little unsettling. Front and rear brakes controlled by both hands like with a bike, no gears to change, and most of all, no noise at all, apart from a slight hum. It's set up for urban and leisure all-terrain use and has no problem cruising in traffic, thanks to instant delivery of torque that offers solid acceleration with a top speed of more than 75 kilometers per hour. The QUANTYA is at its best on the dirt. Once you get past the initial surprise, you can quickly get your head around how to ride it, and you realize just how easy it is to ride. You can point it where you want it to go thanks to its liveliness and light weight. The slippery surface let us put in some nice slides, but we'd have liked to have seen what it can do with some motocross tyres. A more all-terrain model, the Track, should be available in the near future. Our test rider Laurent says he's been riding it for an hour and has only lost 4 LED lights. There's still some juice left, he says, but it has dropped off a little bit in terms of power, though he can continue riding. There's plenty of torque at slow speeds. The only thing that QUANTYA lacks is a bit of acceleration punch. You have to anticipate the holes and the bumps in order to give it a good dose of power, a little bit like a bike, to aid the front end. Laurent says he's out of power, there's no more electricity, and now he has to push it. In this context, it's like a combustion engine. When it stops for good. Best to plan out your ride in advance. There's only 70 kilometers of autonomy in cruising mode. Laurent also remarks that it's just as tiring as a bicycle, but is as practical as an outlet. After 2.5 hours of charging, it's ready for another go. The electricity needed will cost around €4 per 100 kilometers. The Strada requires minimal upkeep. There are savings to be had, but the asking price of €9,000 is a bit steep.